Okay, so this is a question about chromatography, and we have got some results in the chromatogram. And it says which one shows the only one that contains a single dye, which contains a single dye. So if you have a single dye, you're only going to produce one dot, and the only one that's producing one trace and one dot is ink Z, and hopefully that's one of the options. And there we go. Which one contains the greatest number? So here we're looking for the most dots produced. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's only got 2, and that's got 3, so it's going to be Y. And again, hopefully it's one of the options, and it is. Okay, now we've got to calculate an RF value. So they're giving us the equation, and it says that a dye had moved 3.6, that's how far the dot has travelled, and the solvent front has travelled 9.2. And be careful, because give your answer to 2 decimal places. So to work out the RF value, we're going to take the 3.6 and divide it by the 9.2. So here we have got 3.6 divided by, which is giving me an answer of 0.3913, and lots of numbers. I'm not going to write them all down, but 2 decimal places, that's therefore going to equal 0.39. Okay, marks wise, if you've got it to 2 decimal places, you get a mark, and then getting those in the right order gets you the other mark as well. Okay, next little bit. Here we've got a heating curve. So it says from A to B, the substance was a liquid, and from C to D, it was a gas. Give the name when the liquid becomes a gas. So going from okay, so here, trying to work out what it wants you to do. Here, this is going to be boiling, that's from B to C. Use figure 2 to give the temperature of the substance at 4 minutes. So 4 minutes is here. So we're going to go up to there and find the graph. And if we trace that line back, then it comes back to here. And that's going to be 56 degrees C. Use figure 2 to give the time when the substance has completely changed into a gas. Okay, so here is where it starts changing, and it's still changing, and here is where it's completely changed, which is 6 minutes at that point. And the temperature of the substance A was 25. Calculate the temperature rise from A to D. Okay, so we've got to work out the value for D. So if we zoom in a little bit here, and if sometimes this jumps the wrong way, but we'll come back. Brilliant. So this would be 72. That's 74. So that's going to be 75. So my temperature at D is 75. My temperature A was 25. So take that away. And therefore my temperature change is 50 for 1 mark.